This is your host, Jack McKeag. I have not been able to provide the trust and all the other work that I've had for people for a couple months now. Uh, it's really, boy, what we found out here with this trust and what it does, it's just staggering for them. So it's really important that we get this information out again. I know the people that want it, you've been waiting, and so we can bring it to you. Here's where it is: libertyaidacademy.org. You're not going to find any of the buzzwords we used to have. You can't say credit or debt or anything that it does or anything like that. They'll immediately shut down payment gateway, shut down the website, stuff like that. Uh, yeah, they've shut down our website, our this information so many times. It's just amazing. But here's where you get to it. It's pretty easy. You go to the courses here, and it'll bring you to the trust, which is the one we have up right now. Okay, so that's what we have, and not much of an explanation for the reason I just described, but it does the same stuff. Uh, what does it do? You don't have to file every year for income taxes. Not only do you not pay income tax, right? It's a 508c1A trust. Found out all about what the elite do and just simply copy it. And except for one thing, you don't put it under your soul isn't under the devil. We, me, 33, and God we trust. That's the devil. Sorry. You could change your affiliation to Jesus Christ, bank with it, get an EIN, pay no taxes. There are other things that can be done with this as well. We're no longer guaranteeing results. We're setting up this in a school format. You have to learn over time. We train you, okay? You don't at the end of your training get to say, "Oh, I want it all for free." No, sorry. And plus, that's just a strategy they've used to close the payment gateway. It's like they'll get 10 government employees to like buy 10 of them one day, and the next day they'll just say, "We want a refund." And so it's very clever. They're really super smart. They don't want this information out. They do their best to make it happen. So we're just all sales are final. That's just the way it is. We're gonna have our other information. My other information, right, is gonna come back about debt and so on. Just and we're gonna add some other teachers, some other people to give you information. So look for these courses, everything to come up here. Some other things that this does, this trust, and this has all been proven by other people. So I'm not going to guarantee these results and go through this for everybody because it's up to you to do these things. We have the information so you could do it. You see property taxes, it is possible to get out of property taxes because the trust is tax exempt, right? So you can fill out the paperwork at the county level and get a property tax exemption. You can what else can you do? The good news is since you changed your affiliation from the In God We Trust, you're now under the control of Jesus Christ and the golden rule: do unto others as you would have done unto you. And so the police can't stop you. They've tried to stop me, obviously, from my work and do other number of horrible things to me, but they're just prevented from God. They're frozen in place. I've done 50 court cases and against bankers. It's happened in the courtroom a bunch. It happens on the street. They don't really hardly ever come up to me anymore. The last time they did, I actually filmed it, and it's on YouTube on a short video. They want my name. I say no, and they walk away. Okay, fine. That's it. You don't have interactions with the police. No matter what you do, I go around filming hospitals, all that stuff. There's nothing they could do. The cops don't get called on me. Nothing happens. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Nothing happens to anyone signed in the trust. Uh, the trust has been used to block foreclosure. And when people hear that, they're like, "Well, that's great, yeah," but it stops the seizure. They could still do the paperwork maybe at the whatever courthouse and stuff and get a foreclosure. Yeah, that happens, because all court is a farce, right? There's no government helping you. They're just stealing from you and lying. That's all they do. So, but when they do the paperwork and they come to the home to repossess it, right? They can't. They can't cross the doorstep because the home is entrusted to Christ, and they've come. SWAT, state police, sheriffs, everybody's come to steal these homes, but they can't. They're frozen at the door by Christ. So this is a reality you may want to consider living in at this time. Okay, I do. All my clients do. There's absolutely nothing to worry about. So the trust is available again. Okay, and it's being taught as a course. You can get it today. I'm not saying, this is going to be up and available forever because they're always trying to mess with what we're doing. So if time is of the essence to you and you want to get your assets protected, including yourself, your body, your family, your home, your money, this trust does all of that. And I'm recommending, you know, get it as soon as you can. All right. God bless you, one and all.